Someone deleted a WhatsApp message before you could read it. Or worse, you accidentally deleted an entire conversation. Sound familiar? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 4 ways to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on Android, even if you have no backup at all. Before we dive in, here's a quick guide to help you pick the right method. First is no backup at all. Second, if you have a Google Drive backup. Third, if you have a local backup on your phone. And fourth, messages were just archived. Let's get started. If you have no backup whatsoever, then the first method is best for you. Tenorshare UltData WhatsApp Recovery. This tool can recover deleted WhatsApp messages, photos, videos, voice notes, and documents directly from your Android device. No root required. It supports over 6,000 Android models, including Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, and more, and it's compatible with the latest Android 17. Here's how to use it. First, download and install UltData WhatsApp Recovery on your PC or Mac. The link is in the description, so check it out. Next, open the software and then connect your Android phone via USB cable and make sure USB debugging is enabled. Now select Recover WhatsApp data from device and click Start. The tool will scan your device, and once it will be done, you can preview all recoverable messages, including individual chats, group chats, even media files. Select the chats or files you want to recover and then click on Recover button. That's it. The best part, it recovers only what you select, no overwriting of existing data, and your privacy stays protected. Now, if you have previously backed up WhatsApp to Google Drive, you can restore your messages easily. For that, uninstall WhatsApp from your Android phone and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store and verify your phone number. When prompted, tap Restore to pull your chat history from Google Drive. Wait for the restore to complete and then tap on Next. Your messages will be back. Keep in mind, this only recovers messages up to your last backup date. Anything after that won't be included. WhatsApp also saves local backups directly on your phone's storage. And if you have them, this is how you restore them. For that, open your file manager and navigate to internal storage. Then go to Android, Media, then com.whatsapp. Inside that folder, you will see a WhatsApp folder, so open it up and go inside Databases. You will see backup files named something like MSG Store with the year, month, and date, .db.crypt15, something like that. Rename the one you want to restore to msgstore.db.crypt15. Once that is done, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Verify your number, and when prompted to restore, tap Restore. WhatsApp will detect the local backup automatically. This works great if your Google Drive backup is outdated but your phone still has a recent local copy. Now, sometimes messages aren't actually deleted, they're just archived. This is the quickest fix to check. For that, open your WhatsApp and scroll all the way down on your chat screen, or it may be on the top, and you can see it says Archived. Tap on it. If you find the chat you're looking for, long press it and tap Unarchive button. That's it. Your conversations are back. Always check this first before trying other methods. So, to recap, if you have no backup, go with Tenorshare UltData WhatsApp Recovery is the most powerful option. For backups, use Google Drive or local restore, and always check archived chats first. The link to UltData WhatsApp Recovery is in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and subscribe so you don't miss any more tips just like this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.